Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So another week, another delivery from Mountain Bike Direct. How good? This week we've got the OneUp Components EDC tool and the threadless carrier. So I actually contacted OneUp. The information on their website isn't heaps clear about the forks which this threadless carrier can fit into with respect to Fox 38s. So I have got the base 38s, which is the performance. There is the Performance Elite, which is up from this model, and then obviously the beautiful Fox 38 factories. So a bit of confusion, and there is a couple people on YouTube which have done a video, but again, you know, it is a bit hidden out there. So I just wanted to make a quick video to clarify that the factory and the Performance Elite do have an ovalized steer tube. So leaving just the Performance here, that's got a full circle steer tube. So this here does in fact fit. OneUp said that it doesn't fit. They said that it's too thick, the diameter is too small, the diameter of this is too big, but as I'm about to show you, it does fit. So yeah, just a public service announcement, because this here combined with the tool is a really cool combo. I've been looking for what I want to run on my bike for a while, and yeah, this sort of comes up trumps from what I've seen online. So yeah, I'll show you that in a sec. So yeah, as we can see, the threadless carrier definitely fits in. Happy days. All right guys, well, there it is installed. Here is the actual insert, and happy days with that. Really happy with how it looks. I mean, is it as cool as a normal top cap? Probably not, but super functional, a good piece of insurance to have on your bike for when you do have a mechanical trail slide. So yeah, there you go guys. Fox 38 Performance. You can run the EDC tool by OneUp Components in the threadless carrier. Hopefully I won't have to use it this weekend on a ride. Cheers guys.